Hey everyone, Maxim here from GPS Spectrum. Today I'm going to show you our new protective case for our popular GNSS interference detector, the GP Probe DIN L1. And here it is. It's a rugged, all-weather, IP66 rated case that includes the GP Probe, a power bank and a 4G router. On this side of the case, we see 4 rugged SMA antenna connectors, 1 for GNSS, 2 for router and for Wi-Fi. On the back, there is a USB Type-C connector for external power input. For example, you can plug in a solar panel or high-capacity power bank. Let's take a look inside. Inside, we have built a smart and compact setup. The GP Probe DIN L1, a power bank certified for air travel, so yes, you can take it on board, and a Teltonika 4G router to connect to our GP Cloud platform, and a small compartment for cables and antennas. One of the features of this case is how easy it's to swap out the power bank. Just loosen this mount here and you can quickly remove and replace it with any compatible unit. No tools, no hassle. So why did we build this case? It's designed for mobile, easy to deploy GNSS interference monitoring networks. For example, during a drone show, you can place these cases around the perimeter of the monitored zone and get real-time data on GNSS signal quality and interference directly in GP Cloud. It's a quick and convenient solution for temporary monitoring setup. If you need to operate without an internet connection, we also offer a version with a built-in micro PC that stores all data locally for later analysis. You can connect to the web interface of the probe via Wi-Fi and analyze interference in real time, even without internet access or GP Cloud subscription. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about GNSS interference detection and how to protect your critical infrastructure. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.